Hey guys. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to manifest fast and why you're not manifesting exactly what you desire and how to fix it. The number one reason why you may not be manifesting exactly what you desire is because you do not feel worthy of your desire. It is very important that you know that you are worthy of what you desire. You have to see yourself with your desire. You have to believe that your desire is yours. You have to feel it in your soul, in your body. You have to literally know that it's yours. You cannot desire something and then don't feel worthy of it. That is giving the universe signals and signs of negativity. And the negative frequency that you give to your desire, it slows it down. It blocks it from coming into your life. So if you are trying to manifest something quickly and you want it fast, let's say within 7 days, 30 days, you have to know that it's already yours. You have to feel worthy. You have to release control. When you release control, you'll know that it's yours. But when you hold on to control and then you feel unworthy of it, it's like you're telling the universe, I want it, but I really don't want it. You have to know that you really desire it. You have to know that you truly desire what you are manifesting in order for it to come into your life. Worthiness, feeling worthiness can be a bit hard, especially when you wasn't taught or when you already lack self-love and lack self-worth. But that is why manifesting will help you to discover your self-worth and love yourself, and it will help you understand you better because the power is within you. Your inner world reflects on your outer world. So if your inner world is full of lack, self pity, or not feeling like you can have what you desire, then your life will reflect that. But once you understand that it's that easy, I desire this in my life, and you feel and you know that you have it and that your desire is yours, your desire will come into your life so fast. I'm telling you, just give it a try. Give it a try. Desiring something and wanting something is something completely different. When you say I want this, you're coming from a place of lack. So always remember that. Work on what you say because your words are powerful just as much as what you feel. Your words are powerful. So if you're saying I want this, you're coming from a place of lack because if you're saying you want it, that means it's not yours. That's why you always flip what you say and you flip your speech to I desire this. I desire to have this car. I desire to have this new place. I desire to have this new job. I desire to have this relationship. I desire it because you're letting the universe know that you know it's yours. Okay, so trust me, it's going to come into your life when the time is right and it will come quick. Many people put this negative perspective on manifestation that it may take a long time, or just because you're manifesting it now don't mean it's going to come into your life. It may take years. No, that is not true. You can manifest anything quickly. You just have to trust the universe and know that it's yours. You have to know that your desire is already yours and release control. Even if you feel like you desire it and you feel it in your soul and you feel worthy of it, but you're still controlling, you're going to stop the manifestation from coming into your life quick. That's why you have to feel like you're worthy. Feel it. Feel your emotions because what I say in my videos all the time, frequency is tied to emotion. Emotion is tied to thoughts. You put all those in the right line and you put them all to match up with each other, your desire will come quick. But you have to feel it and you have to release control. A lot of people miss that step. That's why I'm telling you today to not miss that step. When you desire something, release the control. Let it go. And how you can do that? Gratitude, writing gratitude lists, journaling, meditating, affirmations, speaking to yourself, mirror work, telling yourself in the mirror that I am worthy of having what I desire and it's already mine. Okay, carry on with your day. Don't even sit there and keep thinking about it. Don't even let it play in your mind too much, your desire, because all that's going to do is start sending doubt and sending the wrong frequency to your desire. And it's going to take a little longer for it to come into your life. And the number two reason why you're not manifesting what you want and how to fix it is your thoughts. Your thoughts are really important. If your thoughts are not aligning on what you know you truly deserve, then it's not going to come into your life. Your thoughts are really important because, like I said, your inner world reflects your outer world. So if you desire something, but your thoughts are telling you you're not going to get it, or it's going to take long, or how you going to get it, or where's your money? any negative thoughts, you have to reframe that. Any limiting beliefs, you have to flip it to positive beliefs. You have to flip it to positivity. And it's easy. It's not easy if you continue to have the negative thoughts. That's why you have to robotic affirm. So when you see a negative, you feel a negative thought come, you have to catch it and you have to flip it. It may feel a little not real at first when you're flipping it, like, but the more you do it, the more you'll start to feel the positive affirmation and feel the positive limiting belief. So your thoughts have to line up with what you truly desire. Your thoughts cannot be somewhere else, but you desire this, because that the universe can hear your thoughts. God can hear your thoughts. You have to have your faith. You have to put your faith to work. And by doing that is by aligning your thoughts to positivity and doing it every single day. You can do it 5 minutes a day by meditation, releasing all negative thoughts. Tell yourself, I'm not thinking anything negative. I know this desire is mine. I don't care if the little devil on my shoulder is trying to tell me that I'm not going to get it. I know I'm going to get it because I truly desire this and it's already mine. I'm worthy of it. It's easy. You just got to keep telling yourself, you got to keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. So you have to continue to tell yourself that you are worthy of having it. Your thoughts are very important. You have the power. Nobody else. Your life is your life. This is your life. Make it how you want it. Make it how you desire your life to be. By doing these two things, it will fix any type of lack or any type of blockage that is stopping your manifestation from coming into your life. And if you need extra help or you need extra assistance, I do have a Mindset Mastery ebook that I created that has more information in it just for $12.99. Just click the link in my bio. Or if you want one-on-one coaching so I can teach you and go more in depth on how to master your mindset, that is in my bio as well. I will put it in the pinned comments below. But you have to. I'm telling you, it is going to work. You have to align your thoughts for what you desire. You have to feel worthy of it. Those two things, if you remember to do those two things every single day, you will have your desire. You will have your manifestation quicker than what you even realize that you can have it. For example, if you're manifesting a car and you feel like your money isn't right, you feel like your credit isn't right, you don't have the job, you don't have the resources, what is that? That's an example of a manifestation that you desire, because God is going to give you what you desire. He's going to put something in your mind that you desire because he knows you can have it. You're worthy of it. So if God feels like you're worthy of it, why don't you? So if you are trying to manifest a car right now and you feel like you don't have the credit, you don't have the money, you don't have the resources, that is blocking your manifestation from coming in. So how do you reframe that? By saying, this car is mine. So I don't care how much it is on black. It's going to come into my life because I desire it. It's mine. And I feel worthy of it, and release it. You never know. You cannot put any limits on the universe. You cannot put anything on the universe. You cannot limit the universe from what the universe can do. Just because you feel like you don't have the money for it, the credit, the resources, doesn't mean that the universe not going to find a way for you to have that car off the lot. It happened to me. It doesn't mean that you can't find a way, or that the universe won't miraculously find a way to give you that car and sign you off with that car and you drive off the lot with that car. That's what I'm saying with your thoughts and feeling worthy of it and aligning everything to be at the same level. Frequency, emotion, and thoughts. Those three things, if they're all on a positive note and they're all equal, you will be able to manifest anything you desire quickly, and it will come into your life fast, and then you won't have to wait months. You won't have to wait years. You just have to do those three things. Make sure it's aligned with each other, and make sure you're worthy, and make sure your thoughts are always aligning for what you truly desire, and it will come into your life. Brings us to the end of this video. This is episode 1 of Mindset Mastery. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.